Alright, so it is almost dark out, so I want to show you guys what you're going to be looking at first here. So on the outside, we've got two SS3 Maxes in amber combo beam, and then we have two SS3 Pros in driving beam, and then one SS3 Max in driving beam. So not too much longer, it will be completely dark out, and we will be able to check the output out. Alright, so everything is off, as you can tell, pretty dark. So go ahead and do the 3 driving beams. Yeah, these things are insane. And then turn those off. And here are the 2 combo Maxes. So as you can tell, some nice foreground lighting, and the driving beams are basically supplemental high beams. So here's both on. So as you can tell, the combo beams give us a little bit more width, and they fill up the outside a little bit more. And then once I do the SE fog, you get even more width. And of course, here's the headlights, which basically look like candles, and then the high beams. So basically, yeah, these things are insanely bright, especially when you have 5 of them. Even if you just went with the Pros, you are going to be more than satisfied with the output. And I'm going to even go as far as saying even 5 Sports will give you some really good output as well. But if you want to save a few bucks, the Pros are really hard to beat, and it will be plenty of light. So one last time, we'll turn everything off. Here are the 2 amber Maxes in combo beam. And then the 3 driving beam. So, light for miles. And then here's combo beam, and then the 3 driving beam.